Hello everyone, my name is Novriani, Class B, Program Studi PGSD. Here I will tell the story of Cinderella. Once upon a time in a kingdom there lived a party girl named Cinderella. She was very beautiful and cute her dress. Her parents had looked passed away. Her parents had looked passed away. She lived with her two stepmother and her two stepsisters, Anastasia and Rizil. Every day the stepmother forced Cinderella to do all the housekeeping. Meanwhile, Anastasia and Regil were only two latchgirs who loved to make over themselves. One day, there was a bell invitation from the kingdom to all the girls. The look girls were marry the princess. The stepmother and two stepsisters were so happy to hear that. Anastasia and Reggie started to dress up. However, they become nicer themselves. Cinderella combed my hair and put the ribbon in my head, said Reggie. This is the ribbon for you, Drizzy, relieved Cinderella. No, no, no. Thanks my thought and fit them on my feet, shouted Anastasia. Hey, she must do all the I say, not you. No, she must help me to make me prettier than all girls. Shortly after the unprotected the bell, they looked ready to go the ball. Cinderella really wanted to go with them, so she asked her stepmother, "May I go to the ball, Mom?" asked Cinderella. What do you think? You better stay at home, clean all the rooms, washing dishes and clothes, replied the stepmother. You ever really smell, Ella, if you go with us, you will make us sammy, Miket and Natasha. That's relics you don't if you have a dress. The princess won't see you even if you come to at Drizzy. But I really want to go, their sister said Cinderella. Cinderella had begat the stepmother and her two stepsisters. Did allow her to come to the ball. They left Cinderella alone at home. She began to cheer. I really want to go. I wish I can go to the ball and meet the princess, sighed her studently. Three was a brick slide. A very good mother of afraid and afraid had her. Cinderella, please don't care. I'm a very good mother. How will help you to go to the ball? Said the very good mother. Cinderella was very happy. The fairy good mother asked Cinderella to find six large and a golden pumpkin. So Cinderella went to the garden and begged them to the very good mother. Ah, smart geese, look, seems me beam a grab. Oh, I think it's not the spill. Simsalbim adasdabra. Magically, the golden pumpkin turned into a very beautiful good truck. The six mix turned into six horses, and the six larks turned into the bodyguards. The Very good mother swing her wand and spooky the smell spell. Amazing. Cinderella, the ready clown, changed into a very beautiful dress with speaking jewelry. She wore a pair of glass slippers too. Before she left, the fairy godmother told her, Ella, the magic will disappear after the ball of 12 oakling rings, 3 4 exactly at 12 night. You have to light the ball. Will, fire good mother, I will remember Trish, Mishak and leave the party promptly at 12 night. Thank you so much, Mom. Cinderella immediately went to the ball with all her magic things in the place. All the guests saw their beautiful in front of the princess, but the princess did same impressed my any of them. No luck. Cinderella afraid the ball. People very much were very surprised because of her beauty, including the stepmother and two stepsisters. They did realize that the pretty grace was Cinderella. The princess was impressed and appraised Cinderella. Princess, you look so beautiful. Will you dance with me? Asked the princess. Of course, it's an horse that I can dance with you, replied Cinderella. Both of them were dancing with happiness all night. Cinderella was so happy and forgot the time. Apparently, the look started appraising at 12 o'clock. The bell began to ring. I'm sorry, princess, I have to go home. She ran out of the place, but on of her glass slippers and lights on the way. She kept running. The princess ran after her and found Cinderella glass slipper in the middle of the stairs. The princess took it and plans to find how the actual owner of the glass slipper was. A few next day, the princess and his slow dress went from house to house to find the owner of the glass slipper. However, not of them was Sweet Belle. Finally, her arrived at Cinderella home. Anastasia and Reggie treat the glass slipper. I am the elder sister, so let me try it first. What? It too small, but at the ball it was wet on my feet, said Anastasia. Don't say any reason. It's my turn to try the glass slipper. Oh, maybe soaked in warm water to look this morning, so my feet streaking. It's too big on my foot, said Reggie. The princess and his dress almost give up. Suddenly, Cinderella come in her dingy clothes. The princess asked Cinderella to try the glass slipper too, but the church stepmother refused to let her try that. I'm sorry, my majesty. How can you think that Reggie Grace is maybe the princess? It's impossible inside the stepmother. Miss, she has a right to try the glass slipper too, replied the princess. Cinderella stuck her foot into the glass slipper. Make clearly. She threw back into the beautiful princess. Amazing. The music a back, said Cinderella. Everybody was very surprised. Efficiently, the stepmother and two stepsisters. How can she turn into the princess? Said the stepmother. Then the princess asked Cinderella to marry him. You are the glass how I had been looking for. Will you marry me? Asked the princess. Of course. After that, Cinderella went to the place with her princess and lived happy together. Okay, when can we read from the story? Doing good bless and princess will bring happiness and fortune to our life. Thank you for your invitation. See you next time. Goodbye.